Are you still trying to get consistent and strong with your workouts? Do you need a mindset shift? You might be a good candidate for transformation coaching at the Shala, a program designed to help you make movement and mindset a lifestyle. Yes, transformation coaching is 100% virtual. It's also open to people that are local to the Bellingham area. You'll get access to unlimited Stream Live classes each week with coaches giving you real feedback in real time. No more starting a workout and giving up halfway through. The live streaming format is just like attending the Shala studio in person, but it's online. Now your coaches come to you in your living room. You also get to access our recorded class library if class times don't work for you. But come to a live class whenever you can. You get an onboarding orientation to set your personal, emotional, and professional goals with your cohort. Our member experience team will get you stoked for your challenge and help you voice your personal commitments to yourself. You get your workouts programmed for you on the #1 personal training app called TrueCoach. So our team can make sure you're getting 3 to 4 workouts in a week, meditation, and nutrition tracking. Now the real transformation comes when you meet with your accountability coach bi-weekly for 30 minutes to celebrate your wins, evaluate your biomechanics in our foundational exercises, and help you strategize for overcoming barriers to getting consistent. Plus, you'll get our lifetime access to my 6 Weeks to Flow course with meditation tutorials, a mindset video every single week, and home workouts if you miss a class. Are you ready to take action and make a commitment to transformation? Apply now for our next cohort. You're worth it. Trust me, you'll be so glad you did.